3D effect finally showed up in CapCut. It's not perfect yet, but it does pretty good job. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn your normal footage into a 3D one. I'm going to drop my video to the timeline. In this video, I was editing some social media content, so we will work on this one. I will cut the first part because we don't need such long clip, and I will also cut the last part a little. You can also stretch the timeline a little bit. Then go up to Effects, Video Effects, and search for Player 3 effect. Drag it above our clip, not on the clip. Then stretch it till the end. Now move your playhead a bit forward and we will get rid of this music player here. Go down to Texture and turn it all the way down. We also do not need this glow effect, so turn that down also. If we go to the beginning, you'll see that this effect has this fade in built in. So we need to go where this effect ends and then click keyframe on horizontal, rotate, size and vertical. And we will do that also at the end. Then move your playhead to the beginning again, and now we will start to animate the thing. Go to rotate and drag the slider to the left side, let's say to 33. Then move to the last keyframe and drag the slider to opposite side to around 70. We will focus on this part where our playhead is. That is why we will increase it a bit and move it up a little. If we play it, we have something like this. For my taste, that is a little too slow. Now, to speed it up, we can move this keyframe to the left side like this, or we can highlight both, right click, create a compound clip, go up to speed and increase the speed here. I will go with 1.4. We can easily go to 1.5. Here on the beginning we have this built-in animation that we can cut off. And we can also cut off that last part. Now let's get rid of this black space here. Go to Video, Basic, and increase it and move it to the left so we don't see that black space anymore. When you are satisfied, click keyframe on Transform and move your playhead to the end. Drag the screen to the right and increase it if you need to fill out that black part. Click keyframe on Transform. What we can also do is rotate it a bit so we get that tilt effect. And do the same at the end, but rotate it on the other side. Now let's play it one more time. It looks quite good already. The last thing I want to do is I want to highlight the part of the video we want to focus on. So go up to Media, Library and drag down this 6-second black clip. Go forward a little and click on this freeze icon. Now we can delete the right and the left part. Drag it to the beginning and stretch it to the end. Now as you see, the black part covers everything, so we don't see anything. That is why we have to go to Blend and turn the opacity down to, let's say, 30%. Then go to Mask, Add Mask and choose Circle. Drag it to the spot of our focus and reshape it to this oval shape. Now we have darkened part inside the oval, but we want to have it on the outside. So go to the right side and click on this reverse icon and we will invert the darker side. Set the feather to 40 so we get that nice transition and click keyframe on position. Now drag the playhead to the middle and reposition the mask if you need to. Keyframe will be created automatically. Do the same at the end of the video and you can also increase the mask because we zoomed the screen a little bit. That's it, we're done. Let's play our final result.